So how do you get the undo typing feature on iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, become part of the community by subscribing and you'll always know the latest tips and tricks with your iPhone, right? So there are more things you might want to do to get the undo feature. For example, inside of your Apple Notes app, you can see whenever you're typing, there is the back arrow in the middle of the screen and at the top. And this just lets you go a few steps back. For example, if you write something, you can return and make it disappear. Or if you delete something, you can tap on the back arrow and bring it back. So this is like built into multiple different apps, so just look for the back arrow. On the other hand, we also have the ability to shake the iPhone literally, and the undo features are going to appear. And it's an actual feature which is called shake to undo. You can try it, but if it doesn't work, it's most likely because you don't have it enabled. It can be turned on in your settings app by going to the accessibility and tapping the touch section. And there, upon scrolling down a little bit, you can see we have the shake to undo. So it's literally right there. It's pretty easy to set up. Just make sure it's turned on. It's just one toggle, and it's not like limited to the Notes app only. You can try it in multiple other apps as well. So of course you can see that it works in other places too. Just make sure it is turned on. So that's most likely what you wanted to achieve. Let me know if that's the case below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well.